Meet the new member of the ABB drives family, built to let you go beyond the limits in your HVACR applications. The new IP66 Type 4X enclosure enables you to use the drive in corrosive, filthy or humid environments and in extreme weather conditions. Eliminate the need for an electrical room by installing the drive near your application. With the Bluetooth control panel, optional disconnect switch and sun shield, don't compromise your design, connectivity or space. Efficient and reliable cooling tower operation is ensured by the drive's unmatched chemical resistance to corrosion inhibitors and biocides. Regardless of freezing cold, intense heat, UV, rain or salt spray exposure typical for outdoor air handlers, ABB drives stand strong. Experience uninterrupted performance in extreme conditions.